Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial of Illustrator. So today we'll see how to place this particular text in this shape object. So many times what we generally do is we create text and then adjust it on this. Just copy this and then we try to adjust it here. I'll just change the color and we make these changes. Then I'm just duplicating it just to show. Then we add some additional text or resize it so that it fits properly inside. And this is very tedious process. Many times it takes a lot of time. So this is also an option, but better option is to use this entire text group directly inside this object. So that is much more better and quicker. So if you want to reduce your time, if you want to decrease the time of manually adding this text, best thing to do is select this shape, right click on it, go to arrange, click on bring to front. This will bring this shape in front and then select the text area. Now when both are selected, go to object menu. In that you'll find envelope distort and inside that click on make with top object. So now if you'll see, this will come nicely and look in a similar shape format. If you want to use that same shape behind it, meaning the same white shape which was there, so that also you can do. Before doing this envelope distort, what you can do is you can click on this shape, take a copy, then select both the text and shape, go to object, envelope distort and make with top object, and then change the color to any other color. I'm taking the same orange and then press Ctrl Shift V and you'll get this shape. Then press Control key and left square bracket. That will take it behind the text. So this is how you will get this in a particular shape format. This is editable. If you want to edit any text, you can just double click on it and change the text. Maybe I change idea to ideate or anything like that, and just go back and it will reflect in this area. Just a small tip, if you have this text in justified format, this will be very much better because then every area will be filled. If you use it in left align format, then you'll get these spaces here. So it's good if you have it in justify all lines, which is on the extreme right of paragraph tab. And this is how you'll get this kind of a text cloud or word cloud on a particular shape. It can be any shape. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.